Ever pondered over how many Americans actually retire with $1 million? The number might surprise you. Statistically, only around 10% of retirees manage to hit this financial milestone. Diving into the details, the average retirement savings vary considerably across different age groups. For those aged between 65 to 74, the average nest egg sits at about $426,000. On the other hand, those aged 75 and older have approximately $357,000 tucked away. The median savings for these age groups are significantly lower, with $164,000 and $83,000 respectively. Now, these numbers may seem daunting, but remember, reaching the $1 million mark is not an impossible task. It simply requires a clear plan, discipline, and perhaps a little bit of financial savvy. Individuals might need to contribute 10 to 15% of their income annually to their retirement fund. Enrolling in a 401k, increasing contributions with raises, maximizing retirement plans, utilizing IRAs and HSAs, and paying down debt are just some of the strategies that can help you reach that coveted $1 million mark. However, it's not just about how much you save, it's also about when you start saving. A report by the Milken Institute calculates that if 25-year-olds start investing $100 per week with a 7% annual rate of return, they could have over $1 million in savings by the age of 65. In contrast, if people wait until age 35 to start investing the same amount, they would accumulate about $300,000 by age 65. To wrap up, it's clear that the journey to $1 million retirement isn't a simple one, but it's certainly achievable with the right strategies and financial discipline. The key takeaways are to start saving early, invest strategically, and understand your risk tolerance. And remember, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor to determine realistic savings goals and to navigate the complex world of retirement planning. So, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or beyond, it's never too early or too late to start planning for a comfortable retirement. After all, the future you will thank you for it. Subscribe now for more. $1 million is within your reach. Remember, folks, your journey towards a comfortable retirement doesn't have to be a solitary one. We're here to provide you with the necessary tools and knowledge to help you make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Every like, share, and comment helps us reach more people like you who are looking to secure their future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We regularly post videos about personal finance, investment strategies, and retirement planning, all designed to empower you on your financial journey. And if you're interested in learning more, click the playlist here. Subscribe for more.